So in this video I'm gonna make a huge artwork that will trick your eyes the same way a screen does. Check it out guys, this television screen, well, it clearly looks like white, right? Look closer. This is not white. It's actually red, green and blue. So as far as I understand the inner workings of a screen, it's basically a huge grid of pixels where each individual pixel is represented by 3 bars. 1 red, 1 green and 1 blue. So now when you adjust the value of each individual bar, you can create millions of colors. So that's basically what I'm gonna try and attempt in this video. I'm gonna make a huge drawing that looks like a screen made out of all these RGB pixels. Oh yeah, and before we jump into it, it's shout out time. There are a couple of videos that never got a shout out, such as the X-ray effect, the tie-dye effect, the neon effect. So it's time to give a few people who made the drawing that's inspired by those videos a shout out. And those people are... I have to admit, you guys are true legends. Also, according to YouTube statistics, only a few % who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking the video, press the subscribe button and join the BAM squad. It's the easiest way to support me and it's completely free. Alright, let's get into the video. Alright, so the first thing I have to figure out for this project is the grid, because I need to know how small I can actually draw the pixels. So let's do that first. Let's work a few things out. And then eventually, after 1 hour of testing out dimensions for the RGB pixels, yep, I figured it out. I concluded that the magical numbers for an RGB pixel would be a 6x6mm square. So then I drew the entire grid off camera and I was pretty much ready to go. Oh, the realization just kicks in, this is gonna be huge. So let me explain how I'm gonna tackle this drawing. First of all, instead of aiming for the entire color spectrum, I'm simply gonna make a drawing with these main colors. So then, for example, if I want blue in my drawing, I simply don't incorporate the red and the green bar in the pixels. The same principle then goes for the green and the red colors. For the remaining colors, it's almost the same, but you simply combine 2 colors. So then this is what you would end up with if you wanted to draw these colored circles. Alright, this is it. I'm so ready. Let's do this. The first 3 rows of pixels is done. I think this is gonna be the point where I actually start creating the illustration.
Hello.
I hope you're ready. Here we go. Everything for the head, it's pretty much done as far as the Posca markers go. This means we can start adjusting the brightness of pixels simply by using graphite pencils. Not entirely sure how this will work out, but let's give it a try. Alright, someone stole my chair again. She's such a cutie. So just like that, first 2 days done. And I must say, I was really happy how everything was turning out. I also figured that it would be much more convenient to cover the entire page with the RGB colors first, before continuing to work on the illustration. So that's basically what I did, and I ended up spending the entire 3rd day, about 8 hours in total, drawing these lines. Oh my G, you have no idea how much it messed with my eyes. I'm so exhausted. See you tomorrow, guys. Alrighty, let's finish this thing once and for all. This is definitely the most difficult part of the whole drawing. Time to start with the pencils again. Woo! So there you go. After almost 3 weeks of work, from thinking out the concept to making the art to doing the video editing, it came to an end. It was a lot of fun to do, but also a lot of hard work. So if you haven't already, give the video a thumbs up. That's much appreciated, and it really means a lot to me. Then the last thing I want to mention is that if you make a drawing that's inspired by this video, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and use the hashtag Bamsway, because then you can make a chance to get a shout out in my next video. And I also share a lot of your creations in my Instagram story. So it's all that being said, I really hope you enjoyed watching the video, and I hope to hear from you in the comment section down below, and we see each other very soon in the next video. Take care.